Well, applications are now open for the 2024 Feed Facility of the Year program, highlighting benchmarks and industry standards. Gary Huddleston with the American Feed Industry Association joins us now for more. Gary, thank you so much for being here. So give us a little background on this program. Tell us about this.
Yeah, thank you for having me. We've been recognizing Feed Facility of the Year or Feed Mill of the Year since 1985. So recognizing the excellence in our industry. It's a program where we want to highlight the manufacturing sector of our membership. And it also helps facilities with their continuous improvement programs through benchmarking.
Yeah, I would think you put out a program like this, people kind of tend to rise to the occasion. From what I understand, there are a few changes to this year's program. Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, we changed the program back in 2016 and added 4 separate categories of facilities. We added liquid feed, commercial dry feed, premix and ingredient, and then integrator facilities. So those are the main types of manufacturing facilities in our industry. We've decided to pull those back. We're still going to have those 4 types of applications that you can fill out, but we'll just recognize one overall winner. But one of the most exciting things that we did is we partnered up with our Equipment Manufacturers Committee within AFIA, and all of the proceeds of this year's program will go into the Equipment Manufacturers Scholarship Fund, which we give $5,000 scholarships out to students pursuing a career in agriculture.
Well, that is tremendous. And boy, what a way to attract the next generation, right? So talk about the process for people entering this program. I know some folks may be thinking, hey, I want to get in on this. How easy is it?
Yeah, it's real simple. You pay for your registration fee on our website, the AFIA website. And then once you've done that, you'll get a link to fill out the online application. My recommendation is there's a link within the application to click and print off a PDF of that application. Fill it out, look up all your data. It'll take you a few hours to do that, but then it'll get that data down and then go back into the online application and key it in.
Gary,
pretty simple.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Pretty simple process for facilities to do this.
Making it easy for sure. And of course, the winning feed facility, the award, bragging rights?
Bragging rights, I can say you're the best facility in the industry for this year. And it's just a win-win for all the way around. We can help students. We can help you benchmark. You can learn more about how to improve your facility. So it's just a great way to work with your facility and improve and help the industry out.
Absolutely. Great stuff, Gary. Thank you for all the work you do. Gary Huddleston with the American Feed Industry Association. We appreciate you.